Hello friends, in previous lecture we study unit cell and crystal lattice. In this video we are study about types of unit cell and cubic system. Friends, you know unit cell. Unit cell is nothing but the smallest repeating structural unit of crystalline solid is called युनिट सेल. मित्रांनो, आपल्याला क्रिस्टल सॉलिडचा सर्वात स्मॉलेस्ट युनिट कुठलं असेल त्याला आपण म्हणतो युनिट सेल. युनिट सेल आर कॅरेक्टराइज्ड बाय 6 पॅरामीटर्स. A, B, C is the age length, alpha, beta, gamma are the bond angle. These parameters is typically unit cell are shown in the figure. In this figure, 6 parameters is age length A, B and C and 3 bond angle alpha, beta and gamma. In these 6 parameters of unit cell, the age length A, B, C and bond angle alpha, beta and gamma. Age length between age length BC is alpha, between AC is beta and between AB is gamma. These 6 parameters of age length, 3 age length and 3 bond angle. The next is types of unit cell. Types of unit cell. The based on the position of the constituent particles in unit cell. Constituent particles may be atoms, ions or molecules. मित्रांनो, constituent particles जे आहेत युनिट्समध्ये त्याच्या पोझिशनवरून देर आर क्लासिफाइड टू 2 types, simple or primitive unit cell and second is the center unit cell. These are the mainly 2 types of unit cell: simple unit cell and center unit cell. Let us see the classification of the unit cell. The classification of the unit cell. Unit cell are broadly classified into the 2 types: primitive unit cell and center unit cell. In primitive unit cell, or is also called the simple unit cell, the particles only at the corners. Particles present at only the corners. And in center unit cell, particles at corners as well as the same other positions. Center unit cell are divided into the 3 types: body center, face center and end center. In body center, the constituent particles present at corners as well as at the body center. Then face center, the constituent particles present at corners as well as face center. And in end center unit cell, the constituent particles present at corners as well as the center of 2 opposite faces. These are the classification of unit cell. Then next, let us discuss about the types in detail, types of unit cell. The first is unit cell, the constituent particles present only at the corners is called the simple or primitive unit cell. And then next, unit cell, the constituent particles present not only at the corners but also present at the other position is called the non-primitive or center unit cell. There are classified into three types: center unit cell, body center unit cell, face center unit cell, and base center unit cell. Let us see the diagrammatically represented the types of unit cell. Types of unit cell, there are the four types of the unit cell: primitive or simple unit cell, body center unit cell, face center unit cell, and base center unit cell. In first is the simple unit cell, are also called the simple cubic unit cell. These are the simple cube. This is simple cubic unit cell. In this simple cubic unit cell, the constituent particles present at the corner, that the 8 corner is present in unit cell. These 8 corners, the constituent particles present at 8 corners, these are called the simple cubic unit cell. The next type is the body center unit cell. In body center unit cell, the constituent particles present at 8 corners, 8 constituent particles present at 8 corners, and one is present at the center of the cubic unit cell. These are called the BCC, body center unit cell. Then next one is the next type is face center unit cell. In face center unit cell, the constituent particles present at the corners, 8 corners, and other constituent particles is present at the center of each face. Center of each face. These are the one face, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Sixth face. These are the face center unit cell. In center unit cell, at 8 corners, the constituent particles present, as well as the 2 particles are present at the two opposite phases. These are called the end center unit cell. Is denoted by CECC. Thank you.